So hi, I'm just gonna show how to quickly set up an environment so you can mod using the Unity editor. So first of all, I'm just gonna show the repo mods wiki. Right now, there's not much on it, as you can see. The part all the way down here does not matter for what you're gonna be doing, because this is for making mods using scripts where you have to write your own code. If you want to basically make mods without writing your code, you need to go through the Unity editor with Repolib. It's a very amazing tool. So basically, you want to. There's still stuff here that I recommend installing. First of all, .NET.SDK and Visual Studio 2022. It's good just because this is basically a advanced text editor for writing code, which technically you shouldn't need to, but if you want to like add custom behaviors for your custom enemies or whatever, it's always good to always have a text editor, even if you won't use it for now. I think it's in the priority to download, so I'll just show you how. And Git is required actually for this, mostly because in the Unity editor, you're gonna import packages via Git. I'll show you later how. So these three things are required. So let's just start. So basically, first of all, you want to start with installing .NET. I'm not on the correct page. This is the correct page. You can install the most recent version. As you can see, I've messed up multiple times trying to record this, so I'm now on the third installation of .NET. Okay, so you're gonna come here, and basically, .NET, to install it, it's pretty straightforward. You don't really have anything special to select. So for this one, I won't redo it for no reason. But it should be pretty simple. It's just continue, you accept, you make sure that everything is good, and you install. Once that's installed, you want to install Visual Studio. This one I won't reinstall, but I will show you what you want to select because there's specific stuff you need on here. So if you launch the Visual Studio installer, basically you're gonna be on the screen like this. It's gonna ask you for like what packages you want to install. Uh, what I recommend installing is the .NET, of course, because that's basically what you're gonna be using to code, and uh, and also the game development with Unity. These are the two that you need. I do like C++, so I've installed that too, but that is not required. So you just press install. It should take a small while, and then it'll be installed. All's good. This is as like if I press launch, this is literally just a text editor. So if I go like on my level loader, that is. Oh wait, I'm not at all at the correct space. If I go here on my, oh my god, here. I mean, this is my level loader that is deprecated now because Repolib made a way better one, so it's fine. Here you go. So now you have installed these two, and Git is required. So if you come here, you go on the download page, click to download. Usually it's 64-bit version for Windows. You download it, and you launch it. The default settings should be fine, so just install everything here. You don't have to select anything else, but I think that's pretty good. I don't get bash profile to Windows Terminal. I've never tried that, but it's not worth. And you may want to set your text editor as Video Studio Code. I like Vim personally, but it's very hard to use. I mostly use Vim because my school actually required you to use Vim for a while, so I kind of got used to it. Up next, and then you just install it. Once Git is installed, we're going to move on to the Unity installation. You need this exact version. You can't use any other version because there's not, uh, well, the tools to basically rip the assets out of the game is made for that specific version of Unity. So you just press install, and you're basically going to have a Unity hub to install. Once that's installed, there's two things you need to do. I don't know which order it's gonna ask you to, so I'm just gonna. I won't show the second one because it's pretty self-forward because basically the program forces you to. But when you can do it, you want to come here, install editor, and if it's not here, because I don't think it's in the settings by default, basically Unity Hub should automatically install the one you've downloaded, aka this version, through the link. If it doesn't, just let me know and I'll help you, I guess. And otherwise, it's gonna ask you to activate a license. I think you're gonna need to log in and just activate a personal license because you're not doing any commercial usage. And having a Unity license is free as long as it's not a commercial one. So that's that. So after you've installed everything, you can go in projects, new project, and then you go into all templates and 3D built-in render pipeline. Here you can name your project whatever. I'm gonna call it repo test mod 4 create project. This is most likely gonna take a small while. Sorry, I'm very tired. I've been working kind of hard on the mod. Cool. Cool. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to the GitHub for do I have it? Unity repo-patcher. Because right here, there's basically all the instructions of what you need to do, in what order. So you go in the package manager and you paste the link for this specific Git. So this is the link for this one, the Unity patcher, which is basically how do I say it? It's basically the default version of the tool that works with multiple games where you just need to make like another version to you just need to make a header for that specific game. But that's fine. The header is already made, so you don't have to worry about that. So first of all, we'll come here. We'll follow the instructions here. So we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna come here. So the instruction says to go into Window, Package Manager. Package Manager for me open on my other monitor, but here it is. You want to go into Plus, add package from Git URL, and you want to paste this. Add. It might take a while. It should compile everything that's added to the project. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to the next step. So basically after that, you want to install the game wrapper. So you just copy this link and you paste it in. Add. Now, basically you're gonna have a tool icon up here. if you go into the tool window, you can go into the Unity project patcher and press open window. So you're gonna need to install Bepinix. I don't actually know how to pronounce it, but I've been calling it like that. So just press on the button. It's supposed to give. Oh wait, it did not. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. It's the run patcher that's gonna give you an error message. So just let it install. Perfect. And then you're gonna press run patcher. Up. This is technically something you have to read. And there's gonna be an error. Just press on the button. It's gonna open you this menu on the side with the game folder path. So you're gonna need to browse to your game. So there's multiple ways of getting that location. So if you come here, you can press manage browse local file, and bam, you have the root to your game. Otherwise, you can do like me and be a masochist and look for it manually always. So you just come here, program files x86 for me, theme apps, common, repo, select folder. Up, and then you press run patcher again. This is going to take a while. It's going to restart Unity multiple times. So just let it do its thing. I'm just actually I won't pause the recording because I do want you to know that it's normal that it keeps on restarting. So I'll record the entire process so you won't miss anything. So currently it's stripping every asset from the game. should be nearing its completion for me, but depending on your computer, it might take a while. Mm-hmm. Let's get something else set up in the meantime. So, you're gonna need to install Repolib.sdk. To do that, it's gonna be the same thing through the package manager, but there's an important step you need to do before. It's to actually get the .dll from the repolib mod. So what you can do is just manual download, and there's gonna be a .dll. So you can just grab that, throw it in wherever you want. I'm gonna place it in video because it doesn't matter. As you can see, I have a lot of random videos. What the fuck is this? Okay. I was wondering, it looked like a surgery, but it's just my wallpaper. Okay. So basically, I have repolib.dll. You're gonna need to import that into your project. I'll show you how soon, whenever this loads. Yeah. I'm gonna be uploading a different one, so since this is the current version, and I have a build from a bit further, where the custom level actually work. But it's gonna be the same process, so it shouldn't matter. Mm. Also, right here on repo-lib.sdk, there's a bunch of info on how to create your thing. But I will not be showing you how to create all of these right now. The only thing that I'm going to be showing is how to set up your environment. There's a video, I'll link it with this one in the description, of how to actually make a custom variable, which is a good example on how to actually do stuff. Let's see, can I find that video? In the meantime. Yeah, found it. This is the video on how to make custom variables. I'm gonna link it. It's very good, though it does not show how to do setup, which is understandable because it takes a while. Cool, the project has been patched. Cool. So now you can close this window. So what you're gonna do is just grab your your .dll and you're gonna drag it in. So for me, I have this one. You're just gonna drag it in. Then you're gonna go onto this and you're gonna just send the link in. So you can just copy link or copy. Actually, yeah, copy from here, right? I always forget. Yeah. So you copy this one. So you just come package manager, add from get URL, you paste, add. If you've done everything properly, this should install without any issues. Cool. So everything should be installed. I'm gonna just make like a quick tutorial, I guess. So you could make something called like test mod 1. Let's just call it like that. And find anything you want to do. Like in this case, I want to take the goblin head. Oh no, the head. Let's see, what is the thing? It's this one, in the valuable goblin head. I'm just gonna copy it. And then go back to my asset root. Go into test mod 1 and paste it. So this is basically where the tutorial for how to make a custom variable starts. So I'm just gonna stop here and just go watch the other tutorial. It's great. It just kind of everything in a way better way that I could, just because I struggle with words. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I don't know what I was looking. I wanted to stop the video.